Hello everyone, welcome back to FPV Trick Theory, where we improve our freestyle one battery at a time. Today we're taking a look at yaw spins, and not just the flat yaw spin that I just demonstrated, but also a bunch of different variations and combinations of yaw spins for a total of 5 different tricks in this one short episode. So let's learn how to do some yaw spins. Alright, so a super basic yaw spin is just using the yaw stick, like so. But the problem with that is we look at the ground, then the sky, and then the ground, so it looks a little bit unnatural. And that's due to the tilt of the camera. So if we add a little bit of roll in the same direction that we're yawing, that actually flattens out the yaw spin. So you can see there, if we yaw left and also add a little bit of left roll, it flattens everything out, looks more natural. Now, we also want to make it look cool in our flight, so I like to initiate yaw spins by flying by an object and then yawing towards the object. So this lamppost on the right, we're going to do a yaw spin to the right and kind of track the object during the beginning of the yaw spin. So track it and then we kind of just keep flying. Let's talk about some variations on yaw spins. So we can fly in a circle like so, and you can see the yaw and roll are both going to the right, and the pitch is slightly backwards to help us maintain our speed. And if we do this same kind of motion at low or no throttle, we can actually turn that into a yaw spin. So here we go. Look at that, a banked yaw spin by essentially just turning kind of fast at low to no throttle. See it again. That's a cool little effect. Another thing about this variation is that you want to bank towards the object, so bank towards the object and then do the yaw spin. That helps maintain that bank throughout the yaw spin, just makes it easier. So bank towards the object and do the yaw spin. Add that little bit of pitch to give you a bank. Now we can do what I call an outside yaw spin, which is a similar concept, but if we fly in backward circles, both sticks go in the same direction, roll and yaw. But then we also end up adding in some pitch forward, and we can turn this into a yaw spin. And what that's going to do is bank us the other way, so adding that little bit of pitch forward helps us bank the other way. It's also worth mentioning that for these inside and outside yaw spins, you want to use a lot more roll than yaw compared to your typical flat yaw spin. This makes it more natural, gives you more bank. So for the inside yaw spin, a lot of roll. See, I used a lot more roll that time, it actually looked better. In the outside yaw spin, a lot more roll. Yeah, that one looked better too. Okay, now let's talk about some ways you can combine these inside and outside yaw spins. First one is a rewind, so we can do like an inside 180 and then an outside 180 in the opposite direction. So something like this, inside, then outside the other way, keep flying. If you really want, you can try to add a GABA throttle and like go back around. Ooh. And then do a true rewind. I typically don't do that because I almost hit the pole, but inside, outside, keep going. And the faster you do it, the cooler it looks. So let's try to do that a little more, the speed I like to go. Okay. You can also do an outside to an inside. Like so. So we can transition from an inside to an outside as well, but keep the yaw direction the same. So we're going to go inside, roll, and then outside. That's a little sloppy because I'm doing it slow. But you can see in the middle we have to add roll to transition from the inside to the outside. So inside roll, outside. So you saw the little left roll I had to do halfway between. I'll do it again. inside left roll, outside. And then I'll try to do it more like the speed I usually do. This gives this kind of interesting effect of like almost hitting the object but then flying away from it. Let's see it one more time, full speed. So there you go. Those are some different yaw spins and then variations. That is it for this episode of FPV Trick Theory. Now, it is worth mentioning that there are more variations and more ways you can combine these different yaw spins than the 5 that I went over in this video. So get out there, be creative, see what you can come up with. That's part of what makes freestyle fun. If you learned something from this video or enjoyed it, please make sure to give the video a like and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the rest of the series. And if you get value out of these videos, please consider supporting me on Patreon. If there's a specific trick or topic you want to see on one of these episodes, make sure to let me know down in the comments. I'm keeping a list of all the requests. And if you want to see more content, I have an Instagram page, timmy.r.c. Thanks for watching.